So let's say you're using ClipStudioPaint to make comics, and you go and you select the text tool, and you're like, wow, amazing. I hate it. None of this is what I wanted. You're gonna Control A, select all your text, and you can go and click this icon right here, or you can click this little guy right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this guy, and it brings you to this window, which is where all the magic happens. So right here you can change the font size. And let's say you're using a font that you made out of your own handwriting and you notice, oh, the spacing is like really bad and it looks like first grade handwriting. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this character spacing right here. And you can change it, or you can go to condense text. You can hit this guy and it'll condense your text and make it a little bit more squished. It might help with your kerning in your text, and your kerning is how close your letters are to each other. And then what else you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the line space / alignment. For comics, I really recommend center alignment, so it centers it out really nicely. And then line space, depending on what font you use, you can adjust it. What I recommend doing is going something along like this, so that there's enough space between any of your characters that have any parts that extend downwards or upwards, so they don't smash into each other and conflict and make it difficult to read. But depending on what kind of text effects you're trying to do, you can squish things together or you can make things super spread out. And you can do it by percentage, or you can specify the length. These options are kind of just hidden with it. When you go and you change these settings, you don't want to close out the window. What you want to do is you want to hit this little guy right here, and it will make the changes. Because if you don't, let's say that, you hit that. Oh, actually it will save it. But anytime you want to change your text, you should select all of your text. Alright, that's it. It was pretty easy. It's just confusing.